Namyangju-si is a South Korean actor and model. He was born on July 14, 1997 in Namyangju-si, South Korea. In 2022, Nam appeared in the SBS drama Today's Webtoon alongside Kim Se-jeong and Choi. The same year, he starred in The Borrowed Body. In 2021, Nam has joined Mnet's M Countdown as a host. Nam then joined the drama Beyond Evil, which premiered in February on JTBC. Nam was also cast in KBS2 drama The King's Affection, which premiered in October. He has secured his position as one of the most internationally recognizable actors working in the South Korean entertainment industry today. In 2020, Nam appeared in the web drama The Temperature of Language, Hour 19. Later, Nam appeared in the Netflix series Extracurricular, which led him to gain in recognition, and he was nominated for the Best New Actor Television in the 57th Baeksang Arts Awards through the series. Nam then appeared in the short film Live Your Strength with Bae Suzy and later appeared in TV and drama Birth Care Center. He has taken part in many photoshoots since debuting as a model in 2014, including shoots for Cosmopolitan and Vogue Girls. He also acted in music videos in 2014 and 2015. He is commonly called enjoys a huge fan base within South Korea and also internationally. In 2019, Nam made a special appearance in the web drama Refill and participated in the web drama I Am Not a Robot. He has been given the chance to prove himself more than once in several different projects in the last few years, and he has done an amazing job. Nam made his debut as a model in 2014 and made his acting debut through music videos in 2014 and 2015. In 2018, Nam made his official acting debut through MBC Everyone drama Four Kinds of House, and in the same year he appeared in the web drama Want More 19. In 2020, he worked in movie Live Your Strength.